Hi, dude. Let's click subscribe, and we'll make that bell dark, and let's go. Bye.
Star Crew on board. Star Crew, the final voyage, on board. Final testing. First candidate.
I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Ready for testing.
You do realize I'm very proud of you for this.
Yes, I do that. I do know that.
This is the final testing for all of you.
Yes. Thank you.
And are the other crew members available?
Yes, just one moment.
I'm available.
Krabby,
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you. You are the first female captain of your own starship.
Well, thank you.
Are you ready for your final testing?
Yes. Yeah, I am.
Last crew member.
Just 1 second.
Captain Meditation.
Yes.
Are you prepared for your final testing for weightlessness?
Yes. Look, I don't do well in white.
Captain,
Yes. Yeah.
your final test as a Starship captain. Final flight, weightless training. Are you prepared?
Yes, I am.
Then you will go first.
Just 1 second, please. Okay, I'm back.
3 seconds to descent. 3, 2, 1. Next candidate.
Yes, I'm ready, dude. Excuse me. Yes.
3 seconds to descent. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, descend.
Last candidate. 3, 2, 1. Looks like they've passed, Audrey.
What can I say?
It's going to be a beautiful flight.
Yes.
It's been wonderful. The
Yes.
last Starship.
Well, I hope they send some messages back.
I'm with you on that.
All of you are now mini-masters. You have studied long and hard. You are ready to fly your starships through the universe of life. You know how to keep yourselves safe. You know how to create with your own methodology. Believe no one that uses unpowered words. Not your parents, not your teachers, not your family, not your friends. Whoever talks like that has forgotten that love always wins.
All mini-masters, saddle up. We're flying starships out into space. We're going to another place. Your body is a starship that you can trust. Your feelings are the engines. They have a lot of thrust. Thrust is the power to push you ahead. No matter if somebody yells at you, no matter what they said. Unpower words try to take your power away, but they can never do that unless you say it's okay. You are the one that holds the power inside. Now charge up those starships. We're about to take a long ride. Mini-masters are not bothered by unpower words, like you are no good, you're not enough, or other things that you've heard. We can't change what people say, but we can change what words mean. Now listen up, mini-masters, while we wash those words clean. Oh yeah, and don't think this is just a Dr. Seuss hook. You better wait till we read you the rest of the book. And yes, my friend really was Dr. Seuss. But here are some words mini-masters put to use. To anyone that tries to take our powers away, this is the kind of thing that we say. It is time to grow just a little more than you. We're creating a world that's free of harm and abuse. Sometimes people scream, they shout and yell. If you're not a mini-master, you might be afraid, you might even turn pale. Some kids are afraid. Some kids even cried. Mini-masters, however, walk with a different stride, because all of us know self-love is on our side. We change things around with our magic mind, and guess who taught us? That lover of humankind. And there's one of those lovers inside us all, and that's why unpower words don't make us fall. Shout, yell, know, and rant. You can even say that we can't, but we really can. And your words we don't trust. We just found out we're actually made of stardust. And when you yell at us, if we do feel some fear, we just send it right up and right out of here. We send it up in a tree, in a boat, on a plane. Sometimes we put it on a bumblebee's mane. And as that fear moves up and above, all that's left in our hearts is love. I am love. I am me. I am free. I am safe. I know that I live in this I am place. You can scream, rant, even say I can't, but I know I can because I'm made of star stuff. I'm made of star dust. Even if I can't see, can't hear, and I'm paralyzed, I can still daydream. Daydream love right through my third eye. You can shout real high. You can scream really shrill. But you see, I already took the Mini Master pill. No matter what unpower things you might say to me, I just turn your words into more energy. I am me. You don't hear me grunting. There's nothing outside of me that I'm forever hunting. You can say I'm not. You can say I'm nothing. But I already know that I'm really something. It's okay you were never here, and it's okay if you're leaving. I got a mini master inside of me, and it's rocking my being. Morpheus asked Neo to take red or blue. I took a mini master pill, and I'm all brand new. Love of humankind, he told me what love means. And now the word love, it lives inside of me. No matter how you shout or how loud you scream, many masters, we don't live inside that dream. Yelling and screaming doesn't really cause us pain. Every time I hear you shout, I turn it into a game. You're yelling and screaming. It don't cause anxiety. I figured out that everything I need is inside of me. Saying I ain't any good has no effect, because inside of me, I know you're incorrect. It doesn't affect me when you flip your lid. I'm flying my starship, not riding a squid. Doesn't hurt at all when your lid got flipped. This Mini Master Starship is really well equipped. I'm not affected by anger and rage. I get in my starship when you scream in your cage. And then I look in this book and I turn another love page. I changed myself. I set myself free. That person you hurt, it wasn't even me.